Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this application of REDnote here, and you will go to this page. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.